Guys, this is IFBB Pro Bhuvan Chauhan, and I am pleased to introduce the newest series of Tinturi, just called the Tri-Motion series. Very special series of equipment. As you can see, there's three pegs in this machine. So the biggest thing in this machine compared to any other brand, any other machine, any other series is that you can actually distribute the weight differently. So for example, if I'm going to be keeping my weight at the top peg, that means the movement is going to be lighter at the top, heavier at the bottom. Similarly, अगर मैं इसी weight को बीच वाले पेग में डालूं, now this is a new pro distribution, which means कि जो regular exercises या regular machines होती हैं, it's going to be equally divided, equal resistance profile होगी ऊपर, बीच में और नीचे. Now, if I put this at the bottom, this means I'm going to be lowering the beginning part of the motion, which means कि ऊपर heavy होगी, जैसे जैसे मैं नीचे लेकर आऊंगा, weight light होता जाएगा. So I can actually train the beginning range of the motion. अगर ऊपर होती है, I can train the end range of the motion, which is the contracted range of motion. Now, this is a very great way of training your strengths or weakness. For example, अगर मेरे को मेरा lats train करने हैं, we always know कि जब हम pull-ups करते हैं या lat pull down करते हैं, हमारे को हमेशा सबसे ज़्यादा मुश्किल होती है at the top, जिस तरह stretch position होता है, तो हम इतना तो कर लेते हैं, बट इसके बाद वाला मूवमेंट कभी नहीं कर पाते. तो इतना सब कोई कर लेता है फेलियर हिट करने के बाद, बट व्हाट इफ मुझे ये ट्रेन नहीं करना, मुझे फेलियर यहाँ पे हिट करना है. That is when you want to keep this weight at the top. अब क्या होगा, ऊपर ये weight light है, नीचे ये weight heavy है, तो अब मैं यहाँ नहीं अटकूंगा. अब मेरा को हमेशा यहाँ पे ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम होगी और यहाँ पे नहीं होगी. This is where it's going to be like the heaviest. So that's the whole point. And best part is you can actually mix. So what I can do is I can add like 2 plates in the middle, 1 plate at the top, so that उसमें थोड़ा सा maybe like 20% ज़्यादा resistance है at the bottom and the rest of the weight is at the middle.